Is that
Dear Christmas, I want you so. I don't need the presents, just wishing for snow and some company by those that I hold close. So Christmas, no need to be perfect, just don't wanna be here alone.
What's up, babes? Welcome back to another vlog. What y'all think? I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good with the videos. At least that's what I think. Let me know if you guys are loving the videos back to back. Today we are going to be doing, I will call it a maintenance vlog. Well, not the whole vlog, but we're gonna start the video doing some type of maintenance because your girl been looking rough. I've been in a funk. Not really, I guess, today, because it's been cold and I'm like, oh, I hate this cold. If you're from Florida, if you're watching me from Florida, drop a comment below. Let me know where you're watching your girl, because we're not okay. I woke up this morning, it was literally 49. Like, I'm not okay. My anemic people, we're not okay. Y'all see me? Y'all see me with the sweatpants, with the bonnet? Like, I've been like that all morning pretty much. Anyways, if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. I hope you enjoy what you see. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you can be part of this channel, because over here we be vibing, and if you subscribe, you can vibe with us. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, thumbs up the video if you enjoy it, and yeah. I'm getting ready to do maintenance pretty much. My hair been pin curled since last night. I didn't do nothing today. I was being lazy. I took a long nap. I woke up, I felt good. So I'm like, okay, let's do some maintenance so tomorrow I don't have to rush. So I'm about to do a facial, my lashes, my eyebrows. I'm gonna tint my eyebrows as well. So we're gonna do that together. Yes, girl. So I think I should take a shower first. I'm about to go take a shower and then we're gonna get to this facial. Done with the facial. The face is looking good. I have not even applied any oil, any moisturizer. I love it, y'all. Let's just apply some oil, just have the skin looking good. I wanted to tint my eyebrows. I'm looking for my eyebrow kit. Can't find it. So I guess we won't be using that. I like this because it's not too heavy. It felt like water on the skin. It's not oily. I just added some tracks. I did it off camera. I don't know if I did it off camera, but I added some tracks on my new growth. My hair is growing fast, y'all. So I already see like it was like a dent. I added some tracks with some glue on here. That's why it looks so flawless. And now I'm about to layer my hair some more. I feel like the layering could have been a little bit higher, so I'm gonna layer it. And then I was supposed to wash my sewing, but I'm like, I don't have time for that, so I'm gonna wash it probably next week. So now I'm just gonna take my handy dandy scissors and I'm gonna just trim it. I feel like I could have, it's like I need better scissors.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed. Always wanna feel like this, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this. Just another memory I don't wanna forget, and I don't wanna do what's wrong. I don't wanna.
Hey you guys, what's up? Today's another day. As you guys can see, I am all done. I'm not fully done. I have to put my clothes on, but we're leaving here at 2:30. Currently it's 1:45, 57. You don't know, I can't see. So I'm pretty much doing a few TikTok videos before I go. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit when I'm leaving, but I don't know what coat to wear. It's gonna be 66. So I have a few coats that I want to try. I don't know which one to actually put on. Let me show you guys. I gotta remember to bring my glasses. Y'all know I can't see, even though we're gonna be like so close. But let me show you guys the coats, because it's gonna be cold tonight. I'm gonna show you guys the coat I'm trying to wear, and you let me know. So I have this one in mind. I don't want to mess up my hair. I have this one. Hold on, I'm trying to like lower it. So I have this one in mind. I don't know. Does it go? Does it go? Is it like not good? I don't know. I have this one. It's like, why are you wearing this color? Like, it doesn't even go. I don't know. The coat looks so cute. I think today might be the only day that I can wear this. Not only because it's cold right now and I just got it and I love it. So I don't know. Should I put this on and just call it a day? I don't know what to do. This looks good. I think it looks good. I don't know. And also I have this black one that I can throw on. I don't know how I feel about this. This is like basic. I want va-va-voom. I want to look expensive, you know. This is how this one looks. Y'all have seen this one before. So which one should I wear? So which one y'all think I should wear? Let me know down below before it's too late. Yeah. I think this one looks good too. But it's like, I don't know. I honestly do not know. But I think I'm going to wear this purse tonight because they said you cannot wear big purses, so I'm going to just put that on the side. It's just the fact that I don't know if I should try this on. I think this will go with black, but why not throw a pop of color? Why not throw a pop of color? I know it's like very like in your face, like people gonna be like, oh, but why not throw a pop of color? This just looks so good. I don't know if I should wear it with this. It's just like, it's like, this looks so good. If my pants, I don't know. Anyways, but the perfume for tonight, we are trying these two tonight. So I have Fame. Let's put some. Ugh, this perfume smells so good. I feel expansive. And then yes. I'm so stupid. Anyways, I don't know what you think. I'm gonna ask Janelle and let him know. Like, I don't know what he's gonna say. Like, should I wear this or should I save it for another occasion? I'm not sure.
Oh, shut your get on right away.
Oh,
There's
No time. We about to go, y'all.
We're taking a shot.
We know we got a pregame.
Pre-game.
Yay.
Cheers.
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 Miami.
Miami. Let's go.
Yo.
Which one was that? I wanted the whiskey. Is that the whiskey? I wanted whiskey. Oh, it was
I'm
James
not drinking
Jameson.
today.
It was so good. It
Oh,
went
wow.
down so smooth. I was like, wait, what?
That's your new drink.
Yeah, no, that's my.
Whiskey, I believe. Sorry.
I know. I need to
Who
take
wants
it.
it?
Oh, you can have it.
No.
No, babe, she can finish mine. She gonna finish mine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll finish Kayla's.
No,
Yeah.
dude.
She gonna finish mine.
Okay.
Mas you know,
We'll
not
split it.
no
Cheers.
alcohol.
Okay.
No. Okay. Who was for alcoholic? Tu veux mieux avec nous? Cheers.
Bre. Nous pas condi. Bre.
Ah, mais tu vois quoi?
Nous pas condi. And we will.
Ouais, bonjour là. Tu vas boire notre rien.
Y'all gonna drink some more?
Eh, moi, comment je non?
That's okay.
Yeah. And I'll enjoy my basketball game. And I'll
Can you turn it down for me 1 minute? We are driving. Oh, I didn't mention we're taking Brightline to go to Miami, so that should be a very interesting experience.
I'm excited.
This is Eliante and Kayla's first time.
No, she went with
Oh, you did. I'm sorry. Eliante's first time taking Brightline. If you're in Florida, you never take Brightline.
And her first basketball game.
Oh yeah, okay,
First basketball
virgin.
game. I'm a virgin.
You should, because it's so nice. It's like a first class. Well, I can't say first class. It's like
It looks fancy.
Yeah,
It's like you in an airplane. Right?
airplane.
Yeah.
They have drinks. They even have snacks, especially when you
Free
go.
drinks or we have to
No,
pay
you
for
have
it?
to pay for it, my
No,
love.
it's
What
in
if we
Florida.
drink?
We are
Hold on,
premium,
Kayla
my
said the
dear.
drinks were
We
free.
are premium.
it's
Stop
free.
playing with
Oh, we are premium. Stop playing with us.
Don't play with it.
I didn't know. Excuse me. Oh, guys, I'm gonna vlog the whole experience. So if you never take Brightline before, I'm gonna try to show you guys how it is and stuff.
It's
So
not that bad yet.
we just left.
No, I'm looking at the juice.
Oh, okay.
That's good. It's 4:35.
All right, talk to y'all later. She has something to say.
I just started my vlog.
Okay. I'm listening.
listening.
We all ears.
No, I mean I shouldn't record it. What if you guys say no?
Then turn it on.
I know.
No,
right?
then we don't post it.
That's true.
Okay. Let's see.
I was thinking. I mean, we do want to celebrate Christmas with you guys. We were wondering if you guys want to do Secret Santa.
Of course.
I don't know. Because I know you guys. I mean, you guys are already doing spending. I don't know if you guys want to do any
Of
more
course.
spending. That's
We'll
why
do
I'm
it.
like,
It's not gonna
be. It's gonna have a limit. Yeah,
Okay.
There's gonna be a limit. Nothing like extra.
Sure.
Like we did last year, but just the four of us.
We can do it.
You're down for it?
Of course. Okay. So what's the budget? And then you gotta run to your thing. Take a picture. You good? We look so good. Okay. Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Don't play with it.
Broken submission. Should I assume it's a weekend thing?
Brightline, yes, 510 southbound of Oakland for Lauderdale Avenue for station announcement and further updates. We apologize for
Maybe. No. Now they're gonna turn once you put it up, girl.
We gotta. Yeah, Yeah, I was saying they have like little appetizers on that menu.
Right here, y'all. It's the premium panini. You love it? We got premium. Don't play with us, okay?
You better drink.
Pasajeros de Brightline. El abordaje del tren tiene lugar en la línea 503 p.m. train to Orlando. Please proceed.
It's Jenny. What is it made out of? Made out of what? You said it's healthy. I thought you know what.
Por Claudia Jones y aventura en la vía 1 por el tren
Did you get it? Okay, honey.
Code of conduct policies and train attendant instructions. As a reminder, smoking or vacating and are looking to order any food or drinks, just go ahead and scan the QR code.
What happened? Thank you.
What they have done here? But that's what we have.
That was so fun, y'all. We had a blast. We drank.
That was
drove,
nice.
And the fun just began.
It was a nice ride.
It was.
In the
That's
club.
not how to say. We all fam.
We all
We what?
In the club. In the club. In the club. We all fam. In the club. We all fam.
In the library.
Say what?
The library.
Oh, y'all not
In the
about to try me
library.
like that.
We all fam.
In the club, we are all family. We should do racist. Yeah. Y'all would get a lot of views if y'all make me do that. Be like, what? I know. We should anyway. We should do that to her.
To her? Why you gotta say that?
Oh, they probably already think that we're gonna make them pick it.
We here, y'all. We had a blast.
Hi guys.
Why we go that way? Everybody go the other way. Y'all go that way. I guess.
We're closer.
The faster way.
Yeah, true.
Follow the crowd.
In the club, we all fam. I feel so cozy to stay in the city, though.
Yeah.
But like you said,
But not permanent.
like you said, yes.
For sure. In the club. In the club.
That's a cool picture. I didn't even see it. You see all those people with suitcases? I wonder if they came from the airport and then take the bus. They probably have a this way for the pictures. We're gonna take a picture. Good. Quick update for you guys. Right now, we went to Chick-fil-A, got ourselves something to eat, and now we're walking to the arena. It's about like a 10-minute walk from the Brightline station to the arena. So we're walking right now. It feels good, right?
Oh yeah, it feels really
good. I'm not super cold.
Yeah, not hot, not cold.
Yeah, it feels so good. Perfect. I wonder what's the temperature right now? Maybe like 69 or something. Not 60, maybe 65 or something. Currently 65. Okay. 65 right now. Feels good. All right, talk to you guys when I get in there.
Oh, such a good one.
Okay, sure. Oh, let's hurry up. Y'all look good with the red, girl. You look good.
Service medal.
Yeah, we missed
and the
it.
Global War on Terrorism Service Medal. So please let's welcome home United States Army Captain Julian Poindexter. On behalf of the say for a shot at winning 2 tickets to an upcoming Heat home game.
Is that him?
And E Nation, I'm making my way around the arena right now. I'm in section 109 with the lovely Danielle. 109, make some noise for Danielle right now.
Oh, no, not him, not him.
And have issued a the Miami Heat Cancer.
Hey y'all, we are actually heading home. The game was so fun. We won, okay? We won. But yeah, we're walking back to Brightline. I think our train comes in 1 hour, 11. Right now it's 10 o'clock. So we're just gonna go hang out at the lounge and then wait for the train to come. So yeah. Listen, I am hella tired. I'm not tired, but I need to go to sleep, y'all. I had a great time. I love going to the basketball game with Janelle. It just makes me feel, back in the days, me and Janelle, we used to go to the games all the time. That was when LeBron James used to be part of Miami Heat. Now we don't go as often, but I enjoyed today's game. We won. What was it? By 40 points. That's a lot. That's a lot. And they were playing really, really, really good today. So I enjoyed today's game. Although I wanted to be on the edge of my seat, but nonetheless, great game. We won. Had a good time. Now it's time for me to remove this makeup, get in the shower, get ready for bed because, baby, I am tired. Well, I'm not tired, but I'm tired, if you know what I mean. It's currently like 1:30 right now. Took the Brightline back home. It was a breeze. We didn't get any drink because we're done. We're done with drinks. So we got our snacks and some water. Some of us fell asleep, but it was like an hour ride. We did have our car parked at the parking garage, so we grabbed our car and drove home. I'm about to go get ready for bed. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and do not forget to let me know down below which part of the vlog was your favorite part. Also, I appreciate every single one of you guys who took your time today to watch this vlog. Just know I truly appreciate it, okay? My hair's still intact. My makeup's still intact, baby. Oh, I love this. I freaking love this. But unfortunately, I gotta wash my face and, get ready for bed. But please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.